Hello everyone. It's been long we did a video and today somehow became maybe the right time to do one. It's been bad throughout, right from the time we've had corona come in, we've had people dying, we've had the locusts coming in, the cyclones coming in. Okay, I understand that had the corona not been there, these would have just been natural calamities which come in and go in their normal routines. But along with corona, compounded by all these facts, it just makes us feel that is this what we've brought about to ourselves? But look at it in another way, and that is maybe it's the world or it's the changes happening in the world that's forcing us to grow. It is pushing us out of our comfort zones and asking us to look at what we've done to ourselves and to recognize what we can do about it. Which brings me to our topic today of the two sides of a coin and mental health. Now, the two sides of a coin, it's a very unique concept, where we are exposed only to one side of a coin and we fail to acknowledge that there is also another side to the coin. There could be another viewpoint to the whole thing. But of course, since we are influenced highly and severely by media, we tend to hear only one aspect of it, and by the time the other aspect comes out, we've already passed a judgment on what has happened, and we've already condemned a person to everything that should not have been he or she be condemned to. Many of us would recognize and would relate to the incident with what I said, to the fact that that elephant issue had happened. See, I agree what happened was gruesome, what happened was wrong, but we need to understand the fact that when a hard earned labor which you do on a field is ruined by wild boars, the farmer doesn't necessarily think about a life of one boar. He thinks about the life and the hard work that he has put in for his family, for the people who will buy that crop. So, that was a technique used to ward off the wild boars. The elephant ate it by mistake. And by God, let me tell you what all brickbats we Keralites had to face for that. Let us not discount it in any way that it's a wrong thing to do. But then again, think of it as the farmer's point of view. For him, it's right. For him, it is right. And the elephant was an unfortunate incident that had happened. I am not saying that it wasn't cruel, it wasn't inhuman, yes, but it was an accident, and accidents happen. Let's accept the fact and move on. It happened, let's make sure that it doesn't happen again. What are you going to do? Are you going to condemn all those people, those farmers? No, it's their livelihood as well. I had to hear a lot from people who are like, oh my god, 100% literacy you people have, and then how come you all are doing all this? I'm like, please, let's not have any quips from people, especially from people in whose states even the ladies are not free to walk around. Let's not go that direction, because then we will get into, geographical issues which I don't want to necessarily get into. It was cruel, it was unwarranted, unnecessary, it happened. Everyone should just apologize. It's a mistake. Happened is happened. Move on. Now, we've made these videos. I've been doing this for a long time. Everyone knows, whoever has been watching it. Today morning, we were greeted with the unfortunate news of Sushant Singh Rajput ending his life. See, when we see it from our point of view, what did he lack? He was an actor, he had money, he had fame, he had everything. But mental health doesn't necessarily mean that, your money or your status or whatever you own is going to make any shard of difference to it. It doesn't. Everyone has been posting, even I have posted on Facebook saying that, reach out to people, reach out. But we don't realize that reaching out is not very easy. The stigma attached to it, what will people say, what will families say? Many families still don't want to acknowledge that mental illness is actually an illness. They feel हाँ पागल है. नहीं, कोई पागलपंती नहीं होती, कुछ भी नहीं होता. दिमागी हालत को सुधारना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. It will count for not if you are not mentally fit and if you have everything else under the planet, everything under the sky. It's not going to make a lick of difference to anybody. How many examples more do we need? Robin Williams, now Sushant Singh Rajput. How many more people will it take for us to acknowledge that mental illness is an illness? Depression can kill. Not everybody can face depression that good. Nobody can face it with that much of conviction and have the balls to come out of it hale and hearty. So instead of putting posts that please reach out, you reach out. If your friend has not called you, reach out, call up, and find out if everything is all right. Sometimes a plea of help could come, shrouded in a lot of other ways. Please keep your eyes open. Every life is important. We lose people to natural calamities, we lose people to physical ill health is understandable. Mental ill health is painful for any person. Let it not be a celebrity or anybody, a common person also. Please, this is my request. Anyone who's watching this video, please pass it on to anyone who's willing to hear that I am here. If anyone ever wants to talk, you just need to pick up the phone, drop me a line, and I promise I will be here. I'll be reaching out to all my friends personally, trying to find out if everything is all right with everybody, because each of you matter to me. Each and every one of you. Stay safe, guys. You are wanted. You are loved. If not anybody, you have me here for you guys. Please stay safe. We will get out of this together. Not just the corona, not just any of these things. All of this, we are in this together. No man is an island. We are all one big family. Stay safe, guys. Lots and lots of love and prayers.